Mia the orange cat heard a strange rumbling from the long-dormant volcano. Determined to investigate, he met a wise eagle who offered to fly him to the peak. They faced strong winds and thick clouds, but reached the volcano's crater. There, Mia discovered a fire dragon struggling against dark forces, trying to take over. Together, they battled the shadowy creatures, using their unique strengths. After a fierce fight, they restored peace to the volcano. Mia returned to the village, proud and happy, knowing that bravery, teamwork, and determination could conquer any challenge.